Hello, I'm Edward Fillion. Centers for Spiritual Living's suggested theme for April is Bright Beginnings, and this week's recommended topic is Fire in the Belly. Fire in the belly is an idiomatic expression that refers to the stamina and passion or inner drive to achieve something. It's the feeling that urges us into action. The authors of this month's global themes write, "This week marks the beginning of Ramadan for those in the Islamic faith. This means that Muslims will be fasting from sunrise to sundown each day. This fasting is known as Sawm. It's one of the 5 pillars of Islam. The time of fasting extends beyond food to include water, cigarettes, gambling, gossip, judgment of others, and so on. Muslims believe that the absence of these activities creates a purification in the body, a fire in the belly, where one can truly see what needs to be seen and understood so that they can be unencumbered by these distractions." In the year 2020, the Christian season of Lent starts on February 26 and ends on Easter. Skipping Saturdays, the traditional 40 days represents a period of self-purification in heart and mind, paralleling the 40 days Jesus spent in the wilderness. Fasting shows up in many different faiths. The Baha'i faith includes an annual fast to focus on the love of the Creator. Many branches of Buddhism practice some form of fasting, typically on full moon days to purify the mind. Hindus fast too, to focus the mind, among other reasons. And on Yom Kippur, the Day of Atonement, Jews fast in preparation for atonement. A parallel practice in our Science of Mind tradition would be to mindfully give up self-damaging thoughts for 40 days, or for 1 day, or for 1 minute, to make a clean break from the past and start something new. Our founder, Dr. Ernest Holmes, wrote about fasting, saying, "If one believes that virtue consists in fasting, then virtue appears to them through fasting. But to the one who finds no virtue in fasting, feasting may be a greater virtue." In other words, there is no one-size-fits-all, and ultimately, it comes down to what we believe. My blessings to you.